ever since the death of Sir Charles Ong'ondo Were. Nigukoretwo na a very big rift in ODM party. Na nitukoretwo tukiona makivurugana. Ntuonire Orengo hare akiuga ati he is ready to go to jail. He is ready to do anything to make sure that things are running smoothly and nothing is being used to poesha the ODM party. And hali tukiona a brother ya Raila Amolo Odinga, who is the senator of Siaya, akiumiria na kwira James Orengo, if he is not satisfied with ODM party, he can as well leave. Uhoro yo nikoretwo revolve around kuonania barrier ya ODM party ni tha ici tondu ona nturonire akiarireria Gladys Wanga akiarireria gikuo kia Charles Were na akiuga ati the government should make sure they tell us how that guy died, how that member of parliament died, and that memorandum of understanding they assignirwo nigetha abunge a ODM makorwo makiuragwo. That is what she exactly said.
And I can tell you, we have said we are working together, but we did not sign up to assassination of our members. We did not sign up to assassination of our members. That we did not sign up to. So if somebody else killed Were, tell us who. Tell us. As the national chairman of the ODM party, I also want to make it very clear that this Homa Bay County and this entire region is an ODM zone. It is an ODM zone. And the next time I see what I saw at the funeral of Koyo, where my party leader is seated, and some people have come there shouting, Uda, we will not agree, we will not accept, it will not happen.
Now, muthenya wa umuthi kuria abunge-ini ya Senate, netwarikia kuona Senator Edwin Sifuna, uria niwe Secretary General wa kiama kia ODM, akiumiria na kuga ati matiratambura broad-based government na matiratambura that memorandum of understanding. Remember, this is the Secretary General of ODM party. Na remember, Raila ni akanirie andu a thirikari, andu a Oscar Sudi gukorwo makibash andu aria matara support thirikari na ni ODM. Augire everyone is entitled to their own opinion, koguo mare kwa marie. Na umuthi ntuona Edwin Sifuna kuria akiuga uguo. What could this mean?
Speaker, let me first begin by saying this thing called BroadBased, I don't know where it exists. Personally, I don't recognize any entity called called BroadBased. There is a government of Kenya Kwanza under the leadership of President William RUTO. Every cabinet secretary who serves in that government serves the Kenya Kwanza government. And I want to join what Senator Khalwale has said. Some of these individuals who joined government recently think they are there to represent their ethnic communities. That every time a cabinet secretary stands up, he tells you how much the Ministry of Energy has allocated to power projects in Nyanza. So the rest of us lawyers are sitting there wondering, Allah, so who is going to speak about the projects in Bungoma? Who is going to speak about the projects? Honorable Speaker, I have said on this floor that as a Senate, as a Parliament, it is the responsibility of all of us, irrespective of our political parties, to oversight the national governments and the county governments. Honorable Speaker, if there is a problem with a CS, that CS must account to Parliament as an institution, not even to their political parties or this thing monster they are calling broad-based. It doesn't exist in my view. So, Honorable Speaker, yesterday I saw at night, just before the game between Inter Milan and Barcelona began, I saw the CS of Treasury on Citizen TV. He has time to appear before Citizen TV, but he has no time to appear before this house. I refused to watch that interview and switch to the football match because I was expecting him here. The conversations that are important to me from that CS are the ones that happen here. Speaker, we have said, when I used to be in the SBC, that the CSs must write in good time to tell the House that they will not be showing up. If a CS insists on writing on the day before, that is absolute contempt, and they must be called out. Honorable Khalwale, trust me, for as long as I remain the senator of Nairobi, for as long as I remain a senator in this House, and the oath that I took there on the first day that I came to this House, there is not going to be a minister that we are going to, protect or babysit or cover up. It doesn't matter whether they come from ODM or from wherever. They are there to serve the public, and we will call them out, Honorable Speaker, as we have always done. So, Honorable John Mbadi, I will call him by his name, must know that as a house we are unhappy that he has time to attend rallies where he explains how much money Luos are going to get from this government, and he has time to go to Citizen TV to tell us lies about economic growth. When you read the newspapers today, data from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, Honorable Speaker, is saying that the economy has done the worst since COVID, that we have lost jobs, that salaries and wages have shrunk because of the taxation that has been imposed by this government. Then you go on Citizen pontificating there about the work that you are doing. Honorable Speaker, we will call out these cabinet secretaries without fear. Mimi siogopi mutu. We will say these things publicly because that is what we swore to do. Honorable Speaker, that CS, in fact, you need to confirm to this House if since he was sworn in as CS, he has ever appeared here. I have never seen him here. I have never seen him here. Where? Yeah. So, Honorable Speaker, this is an issue that we as a leadership in the Senate have to call out, and we have to insist that we have to do our oversight as senators, regardless of whatever monster people think exists in this country called broad-based. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
What could this mean? The Secretary General of ODM, akiyumiria na kuga they don't. Those are the echoes of Raila Amolo Odinga in Senate. Iyo ni ndumiriri imwe ndito muno irakorwo igitumwo, and it is a message that it is time to leave. Could ODM be leaving the broad-based formation soon? Thaici already ni marona maundu maingi ni maluzite. They have lost a lot of things. Already they have lost the Kisii people. They have lost the Western vote. They have lost very many regions. ODM consisted of Western region, Gusii region, Nyanza, Eastern, Kamba region, and Coast region. But right now, they only have Nyanza region. Why? Because Gusii region imechukuliwa na Matiang'i and Maraga. Western region imechukuliwa na kina Natembea. And right now, we are even seeing that even Salasia is really campaigning for president. Coast tumesikia wanataka kuunda chama yao. Everyone is planning on how to have their own party. Kogo ODM thaici ni marona ethireti imwe nene muno tondu ni matiganeirio. And they would really love to be outside government nigetha mahure thirikari nigetha macokie mafans. So, is this a message to Ruto and his team? Hihi ndumiriri iyo ya Edwin Sifuna Korea Senate, was it from the top office? Ndio maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.